Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Bitcoin Analytica. This is your host Joe Saz, and today we're going to be talking about some Bitcoin price action. Hope everyone is doing well, and let's get the party started. Alright, so over time, let's move this right now and just get a broad view here. 30-minute time frame. We have a cap of our range after coming down from all the ETF stuff. Little pumps and dumps, this was the ETF shakeout, the fake one. This is the real one. High 48K, a lot of overhead resistance. An pretty much immediate tumble downhill after it was realized that this wasn't going to 60K or 100K or whatever the heck people were thinking. I was thinking 50 to 55K, and that didn't happen. We got our sell-off pretty quick. And we found our support in the low 40K range, above 40,000, above 40,000, about 41.5. And we have managed to remain in a consistent kind of chop zone, above that 41.5 range, round about it at the low, but a really consistent sell side zone, which has been there for some time now. At 44,000, this wall hasn't moved, and we did see a couple big walls the other day when we were live, I believe on Friday. And those dudes haven't pulled their orders. This guy hasn't pulled this order, but it definitely seems like sellers are trying to dump bags right now. I have seen some news about from BlackRock or these other companies talking about how it's they're starting to promote this to their client base and all that, and I'm just I'm thinking that, look, combine that with all the sell side resistance, now this type of stuff, news trying to get people to buy in, physically backed. I'm starting to think that this is an exit liquidity situation. I really do think that this is a short-term top. Don't know how long it's going to take for us to spill, and I don't even know if I'm right just yet. Good thing is we do have support in this range, in this above $40,000 range. We have a lot of support up here. Nothing as significant as these walls though, which is crazy to me. Crazy. Our most significant buy side walls, 400, 400, 400, 39, 38, 5, 40K. We got a 447 pack, and then we have a couple hundred stacks on the way down to 40K. So I'm just not really digging what I see here. I think that there's a little bit going on behind the scenes, and it's kind of making me uncomfortable. I was really thinking that we should have gone through the roof. I really do think we should have gone pretty high, and we didn't. So yeah, I think things are getting a little sketchy right now. I'm not a big fan of that. Let me check something. Just want to make sure I have this up for comments purposes. Yo, what's up, RJZ? Ryan, foil fuckers, good day to you all. Good evening. Yo, what's up, Eric? Ryan, fuck, sorry. Yeah, guys, so I'm not really liking what I see too much here. It's getting a little sketchy. Let's take a look at some other time frames and some giga trend. CME gap almost filled. We have one to the upside. We still have a, let me draw this in while we have it. Close. Where's my magnet? Close to high. We have one active CME gap right now. Overhead. This could become resistance. This is support down here, 40,000. Support gap tested, 1, 2, almost 3 times. So I do think we have something solid here to bank on. Our 50-day moving average cutting up. I like it, but this could be that time for a little pullback. CME gaps. All right, on to something like Giga Trend. On the daily, we are in closed position at a loss, unfortunately. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Well, I don't know why this keeps doing all this, but yeah, you can see here, percentage profitable is good. You guys can try that out for 2 weeks free right now. Go ahead and take a look. What is going on? I thought we had an open long over here. Something is a little buggy. I need to figure that out, but I believe we're in an open long situation. I could just be on the wrong set right now. I might be flipping this wrong. Yeah, this isn't. I need to look at the Discord and make sure that I'm on the right preset for the right time frame. One sec, guys. Gigatrend, Bitcoin, 4 hour. Yeah, something happened with my presets. I need to draw them back in. That's not good. Alright, well, let's move on to this another time. Bitcoin on the 4 hour consolidation, starting to move into those moving average death crosses. Everything's starting to funnel to move down. Not really a great sign to me. What's up, Mo? How's it going? Taco Liquor, what's up? Oh, shoot. Yeah, so we're in a buy. Thank you for pointing that out, Taco Liquor. And let's just make sure. Yeah, I think something happened. I need to put these proper presets back in, but I know we're in an open long. I'll have to just confirm that with you guys with Gigatrend. But yeah, had a basically a small loss break even, small win, small loss, small win. It's been a little choppy lately. Thanks again, Taco Liquor. Yo, Philly Brick, what's up, man? Good to see you. I have spoken about a new trading competition, and we should have that running pretty soon, guys. New trading competition coming soon. Alright, so let's take a look at some other shit. Solana, 1,255%. Presets available in Discord if you join the VIP. Currently in a close long. And, yeah, Solana's been killing it. That's probably one of the best ones. So let's get that rolling. Solana's looking real good. Little loss here, unfortunately, but the chop has started. The shitcoin should start pumping, I think, a bit more now that Bitcoin's topping out. Outflow is probably into some alts, and then we'll have our decision-making time, legit decision-making time. Pay little bit down, couple wins, couple huge wins, obviously. But right now it's in a little chop zone. I think the altcoins, I think money's going to start flowing into the altcoins. Again, now that Bitcoin's topped out, I do see something like that playing out, and we have seen it in a handful of cases here. So yeah, things are looking pretty good for that. I do like the support chasing the book. Well, not chasing the book, the support holding the line, which is not the same thing. Support holding the line means buyers have no incentive to get aggressive. Sellers are doing all the work. So their orders in the order book are going to get filled. They just need to be patient. Sellers are the ones reacting to the market conditions right now, right? You can see sellers are the ones reacting to the market sell-offs. Very small moves to the upside, recoveries, more or less just recoveries. So right now I think it's more a time to I've exited all longs. I know some of you are long in the Discord chat, mentioned it, got your signals, and I'm actually really impressed with a lot of your guys' work. Philly, you in particular, really love your work, brother. I like what you're saying. There's a couple people that I think have some compelling arguments, technical reasons why we could be going up, but you guys know I like to stick to my max pain as one of my main focuses, and I'm a little concerned about the overall market condition right now, being that bulls don't have to be aggressive, sellers are doing all the work. If sellers stop and the burden of proof is you know, to create the market is back on the bulls, then yeah, things can change. But right now it's just been kind of panic sells and stuff like that. So I am a little bit concerned. The longer we go sideways, the better off it is, and we're 99, maybe 99, 98 plus or minus 199 days away from the halving. I think this looks good. We can get a lot of work done, even going down to 35k pre-halving. 30K, 25K is getting a little gray, unfortunate. Back to 35 would be nice, you know, but we can get a lot of work done still before the halving and look good going into the halving, preparing us for a 5x bull market, 7, 10x bull market from 40K. That's probably realistic, you know, somewhere between 5 and 10x. So I do like the idea of working our way into the halving with this kind of energy. A little bit of you know, clouds and storm. We're headed our way no matter what. We can't just go up forever, right? Halving happens, election cycle starts. This year, I think things get bullish. You know, the more things shape in favor of Trump. You know, not me being political right now, me being realistic. He's good for markets. So I think that's the long story short. Long story short. So yeah, you guys, RJ, long since 3250. That's a good place to be long, man. Long since what is that? January or so, February of 2020. No, no, no. Before that, 2019. 2020 was the March crash. Maybe a little later that year. Yeah, so March was the crash to 36, and then we went. Yeah, we had a few months going up. So maybe summer to fall of 2019. So yeah, yeah. I mean it's pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, and I do agree with you, RJ. I do agree with you on that. Trump 2024 makes a lot of sense. So you guys, you know, just keep your head on the swivel right now. I don't think this is the easiest time to trade. I really don't. I think that now we're in the channel. It's a little more comfortable, better trading time. Trading during the ETF stuff was real hit or miss. But unfortunately, we came crashing down, meet it with the low 40s again, and decide what's happening. It is a good thing that we are going sideways. Going down and down and down and down is only going to create more panic, more fear. I'm glad we're not doing that. So right now, I think we can expect a target range of 41,500 up to 43K. You know, I think that's how it's going to be for now. Um, that's the play. Let's take one quick look at the moving averages again on the daily. Daily moving averages. We're cutting right into the 50 right now. Yeah, we're looking like we're losing this. Supported, cracked, supported, failed, back above. It looks like we're kind of struggling to keep our head above the water here. We lose that, we fall down to this intermediate term moving average, sitting currently at 36K in time. I don't think anything's going to happen overnight. But volatility is back, so let's not rule that out. So you guys just again keep your head in the swivel. Be mindful of everything you got going on. Don't take you know, dumb risks. And you know, we're gonna keep showing up every day. You know, I'm gonna be doing the short episodes, chilling in Discord once we have a trading competition live again. And yeah, all looking good. Ryan, you excited for the fights this weekend? Absolutely, brother. We'll have to talk about that in the sports Discord chat. But I'm very excited, brother. Very excited. So you guys, love you all. Do your push-ups and sit-ups. Turn your shower water cold. Eat healthy, and do beautiful things with your lives. I love you all, and you guys take care and be safe out there. All right, everyone. Talk to you soon. Peace.